Hi guys! Spring na ulit dito sa Slovenia, and kapag spring, ang mga Slovenians ay busy na naman sa paghahanda ng kanilang mga garden kasi magtatanim na ulit sila. Ang aking napakabuting asawa ay nandoon sa labas, busy. So, titignan natin kung anong ginagawa niya, and also may magaganap din ditong agricultural fair kung saan marami silang tinitinda like tractors, agricultural stuff. So, meron din silang foods doon and ukay-ukay. So, let's check kung ano ba ang itsura ng agricultural fair kasi hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. So, let's check it out! Are you ready to go out? Ooh, come on, it's sunny but cold. Come on, let's go. Okay, Papi.
Here, puppy.
Wow!
Yeah, so this is our mini garden. What are you doing, Mushmay?
I'm just crushing the big balls of soil, so it will be good for planting.
Yeah.
And then we already fertilized it. Then we need to leave the soil in maybe 2 weeks to be more soft, so it will be ready for planting the Filipino plants as usual.
Only Filipino plants, ano?
Yeah, only the Filipino plants. А, Лайко, kaj praviš? Ja.
What is that?
Tako ja, za mami pripravljamo vrtiček, a ne, da bo lahko posadila. Ne?
That is my in-laws garden. What do they have there? Onion?
A?
Is that onion?
That's onion.
Yeah, that's onion. And then they also have a greenhouse there.
It's garlic.
Ah, that's garlic.
That's
Okay,
winter
they have garlic. Winter garlic.
Yes.
Winter garlic?
Yeah.
Mommy and Malay are helping Papi by supervising.
Yeah, that's like usual. In 2 days when it will dry a little bit. Wow!
So I planted moringa here before and over there, but they didn't survive the winter. And also my husband extended the garden because before it was only until there. And then now, yeah, it's a little bit longer. Maybe next year it will be more longer, eh?
If we will remove moringa, yeah. Right, right?
Okay. So this is the back of our house. Mushoy, what is that wire over there?
That's for the light.
The light
Yeah,
also?
we can put the light outside.
This is the neighborhood here. So this empty lot here is so big, ano?
Yeah, right.
Papi's done.
Papi, cum ceau, greva.
Where are you going now?
Сега време на преход. So the people will see how good is Badet's husband. He's always working. The working clothes. Yeah. Remo.
Bye-bye!
Bye. No greva ti moj pipi.
So, papunta sila mister doon sa may chicken farm malapit dito sa amin. And, yan, maglalakad-lakad sila habang may araw kasi pasulpot-sulpot lang yung araw, and then medyo mahangin din sa labas. Dito lang ako sa loob kasi si baby Tala tulog pa, so kailangan ko siyang bantayan. And also, kailangan ko din magligpit-ligpit dito sa bahay. Nandiyan sila mister, kung mapapansin nyo, sila yung nakaupo dyan na kulay gray and nakikipag-chismisan sa kapitbahay. And then yung chicken farm ay nasa likod nitong bagong bahay. Yan ang rich neighbor namin kasi may tatlo silang floors. So, meron ako ditong seeds from Philippines. Meron ako ditong papaya seeds, and string beans, moringa, also sigarilyas. Nagtanim ako dito last year kasi umuwi kami sa Pilipinas and then hindi siya nabuhay. Oh, no! Hi! Did you see Kiki?
Ja.
Si Kiki,
Ja,
Ika.
so-
Did you see Ika?
Samo Kikija in Julijo sva srečala.
Oh ja, Julia.
Ja, Julija pleza po drevesih in Malaja dala petko, a ne?
Oh ja,
Mhm.
wow. Give me a high five.
Wow. Evo, gremo da počasi notri, ker je zunaj hladno.
Si vidimo.
Se vidimo, čau.
And then, siling pula, and then meron ako ditong siling green. Pero nung kinanin po sila, pareho silang green. So, I'm not sure kung anong nangyari kasi hindi pumula yung isa. Also, ang palaya, upo, pichay, eggplant. Hopefully they will grow, but they look good.
Yeah.
Malaya will help me soak the seeds now. We need to check how many plants are we gonna sow, okay? We need to count. Can you help mommy count?
Yeah, Papa.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
4.
6. Mama.
And then-
8.
Okay, put it. Okay. Yes, put it in all in. And then oh. Tuye. Sigarilyas. Petchay. Papaya. Moringa. Pampalaya. So this one is from last year. It already has the mark. Okay. Let's put it aside. Next one. Let's put them here now. Okay, the chassis slowly here. Last one. Okay, that's it.
2.
So the seeds are ready. We don't have covers, so we'll just use this. We will be soaking it for 1 day. So what do you do? Eh?
Redo. Just put it here so Mariah can reach.
Yan, mas brown. So guys, samahan ako ng sister-in-law kong mag-window shopping and isama din namin si Bibi Tala and sa Ate Malaya, so hopefully mag-behave sila. And yung sister-in-law ko nasa labas na naghihintay, so let's go! Oh, look at those guys. So they put that so people cannot just cross over and go to the quick parking. Look, the ika-ika. Huh? Wanna say hi to the horse? Laya, wow! Oh, we're too close. Is it okay? Laya, say bye-bye, horsey. That's a big horse, ano?
But it's a beautiful.
Huh? You will give a high five to the horsey? Huh? Oh, look. Wow.
The cow is not a big size.
Yeah. Do you wanna go with Malaya?
Yeah.
She likes horses.
No.
Do you wanna go, Malaya? So this is a horse exhibition. Rastaba means exhibition.
Yeah. Watch it here.
Yeah.
I can help you.
Yeah. So that's what they have, and then later they will have like presentations on mga kabayo. Laya, how many horses did you see?
20, yeah?
20 horses? Wow! So they're selling trucks here. Look at these trucks, guys. Tractor pala. Lala is here. And si Malaya na sa sister-in-law ko. Lots of people right now. Oh, they also have mini tractors. Ano? The tractor. They also have okay here, guys. This is the last day of the fair, so there are lots of people. Don't keep losing it. Hi guys, so kauwi lang namin and oh my god, pagod na pagod ako sa kalalakad and then inaantok rin ako kasi yung tulog ko sa gabi likely lang. nasa kapitbahay pala si Malaya. Kaya sinalubong kami ng mother-in-law ko and niyaya niya si Malaya na pumunta sa kanila. So, nandun sila kasama yung sister-in-law ko and kami naman ni Tala dito lang kasi tulog siya. So, napagod siguro. And buti na lang hindi siya kanina umiyak.